guys. I just pegged
Headshot at 150 yards.
the biggest jackrabbit I've ever seen in my life.
And a shot in the vitals at 160.
I was getting ready to set up on the shade of that barn over there. Well, jackrabbit had the same idea as I did. So as I walked over to that shade, it jumped over and I followed it through because he didn't sprint out. He just kind of hopped, so I knew I didn't fully spook him. He was standing, I guessed about 50 yards, did a standing up shot. I am not a great standing up shot, but this time I was able to make contact. Big sucker. Whew. Got the Daystate Delta Wolf. This thing packs a punch. Let's go check him out.
All right, guys, this is what we got. This is a white-tailed jackrabbit. Now, it might look like a normal jackrabbit to you, and what you're probably used to seeing are the black-tailed jackrabbits that look like this, probably a little bit thinner. The way you can tell, hence the name, is it doesn't have that solid black line that black-tailed jackrabbits have. So this one is what they call a white-tailed jackrabbit. The cool thing about white-tailed jackrabbits is in the wintertime, they turn white. So a lot of people get them mistaken for snowshoe hares. The difference between a snowshoe hare and this one is that they don't have, snowshoe hares don't have as long of ears. You find them more in the forest. And even though these turn completely white in the winter, their ears stay black, the tips. So they're easier to spot because of these black tips in the wintertime when they're all in white. But golly, I said about 50 yards. When I walked it was probably closer to 35, maybe max 40 yards. But still, this gun did it. It's been performing.
Dang wind. Anywhere from 10 yards to 160 yards, a 177, using the JSB Knockouts 13 grain. Whether there's wind or no wind, we've been shooting in all sorts of weather. It's been performing, doing really well. I'm super impressed.
Got the Aztec optics in the front, the side shot scope mount with the Firefly action camera. Beautiful form, grip and cheek rest. You know I love that company. I think they do a gorgeous job in outfitting your air gun. Really puts a quality touch to your air gun. 580cc bottle, 28-inch barrel, the BRK short moderator to keep it all quiet. Gorgeous outfit, super thrilled with it. I love it.
Oh, good shot.
Wait, hold on over there.
Sounded pretty good. You done?
Mm-hmm. Got him! 160. Got him! Got him! No way. Do you see him? Look, he's gonna crawl to the road, Isabel. He's dying on the road. Look how far that shot was. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's a long walk. Long shot for a 177.
Guys, these were the furthest shots thus far. Headshot at 150 yards and a shot in the vitals at 160 with a 177 slug.